makeup. I am going to a friend's house later for some drinks, but I just did an exam / interview thing, and it was pretty easy, so I'm glad to get that out of the way. And now I'm gonna be making a coffee with my mini Keurig, and I'm gonna be using one of my flavored coffees from Amazon. I have these linked below. Which flavor should we drink today? I haven't had one of these in a long time, because I haven't really had like an afternoon coffee in a while, because I usually only do that if I have somewhere to go in the evening, and let's be honest, that hasn't happened. We're gonna do mocha chip, I think, because that sounds really good. So I'm gonna make that, and then I have to what do I have to do? Oh, I have to record a video for my friend's birthday. His fiance is putting it together, so I have to do that while I have makeup on. I thought I would get that out of the way, and I think that's it for right now. Anyways, it's 2:30, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe go back out in the snow for a minute with Ruger. Make my coffee. I was gonna show you what I got yesterday when I was out at Winners. I got this new phone case. It's so pretty. It's by the brand Mellow, and I think it's really pretty. And then I also updated, oh, my Amazon package is coming later. I also updated my phone protector because this one was all shattered. So I got some new ones at Winners a while ago, so I put a new one on, and it's crazy how much of a difference it made, and I just never did it. I got a pair of jeans from Old Navy, but I'm gonna return them because they were too long. So I just printed this out. I'm gonna have to tape that in, but I'll show you what else I got. Okay, so these are the first few things I got. I got this black crop top just to throw in with my order from Old Navy because you needed to order over $50 and the jeans were $48, of course, but it was only $7, I think, and I want to go back and get more. Oh my gosh, it's so comfortable. It's the perfect length and like just soft, and I like the crew neck on it. So this is perfect, and I'm glad that I got it. And then I also got these jeans. These are American Eagle mom jeans, but they are from Plato's Closet. So I actually saw these jeans online, and I wanted to order them, but I didn't want to pay full price for them. And then I was at the store, Plato's Closet, and I saw them there, and I tried them on, and they fit. And then I was like, wow, meant to be. So they were only $22 when they're like $50 online. So I love the fit of them. I love the holes in the knees. I'm obsessed with light jeans with holes in the knees. I have like 3 pairs now from Plato's that I keep buying them. But yeah, they're so cute and really comfortable. So I was happy to get those, and this shirt. I also got this jean skirt, don't mind my socks, from Plato's Closet, but it's originally from Garage. And it was only $10, and it's so cute. And I have another jean skirt, but it's really tight and like real jean material, whereas this one's stretchy, so hopefully this one will be a lot more comfortable to wear. But I thought it was just gonna be cute for the summer. I love jean skirts, and they're really comfortable, except for if you try to sit on the grass, because I went to a outdoor concert 2 summers ago and I wore a jean skirt and I could not sit down for the life of me. So beware with that. The last thing I got was this long sleeve top. It's from Winners, and it's just like a plain crew neck long sleeve, and it's cropped though, so I really wanted it to get to wear with my joggers, because I don't find I have a lot of like shirts to wear with my joggers, because I feel like they always need to be cropped because they're high-waisted. And these joggers are Lululemon joggers on the Fly Luxtreme, not woven. Those are horrible. Get the Luxtreme. And these are definitely like a go-to pant for me. You can dress them up or down, and they're so comfortable. So I wanted more shirts to wear with my joggers, and I thought this one was really cute. The color is really cute, and it's just so like baggy and comfortable, and it was only $12, I think. So again, just a plain basic comfy shirt. I also picked up my 2 favorite mascaras because the drugstore in my town, they didn't have any. They ran out, so I went to a different drugstore when I was in the city. And they are the Essence mascaras, and I love both of these. This one's the Volume Stylist Lash Extension 18-hour mascara. So I love that one, and I love this one, the Volume Stylist Curl and Hold Mascara 18 hours. And then I put them together, and I'm like, whoa, like I have them on right now. They make your eyelashes so long, and then when you curl them, it stays. So I love these, and they're $5.49 each. So then if you get both of them, it's only like $12. So love these and happy to have them back in my life. I did, as a substitute, get the False Lashes Extreme Curl Volume and Curl Mascara from Essence also, but this one's not as good, and it flaked down my eyes so bad, so I'd always have like black under my eyes. So don't recommend this one, but it did the trick until I could get my hands on my other ones. Update: the mocha chip is really good. Done. For lunch today, I'm just having a bowl of this hamburger soup I made. I literally just threw like all the leftover vegetables I had in with some broth and diced tomatoes and then ground beef. And then some seasoning. And then I'm having some of these beet crackers from Costco and watching some Large Family Love. Trying to get more water into me. Moogies is always waiting there like normal. Love having clean clothes, but oh, there's a Ruger. Love having clean clothes, but hate putting them away. Plus, I have all this, so I'm gonna put on a YouTube video and tackle this because it's gonna feel so good. like a vast majority of the day looking out the window. He literally does this all the time. I don't know whether he wants, like, I obviously know he wants to go outside, whether he's waiting for someone to come in the driveway, I have no idea, but he loves just looking outside. So this is one of the enrichment games that we've been doing. I put solo cups around. He's already messed them up, but then I put treats under them, and then he has to sniff them out. Some of them I don't put treats in, so he still has to kind of like see if they're in there, so it works his brain. And then I kind of just set them up in the house, and he loves it. It keeps him busy for a bit. So I have 4 cups of these hash browns, and I'm just gonna heat them up a little bit in the skillet. They will cook more when you put them in the oven, but I'm just gonna heat those up and then add in 1 medium green pepper chopped up. Then we're gonna mix in a small bowl 1.25 cups of any kind of milk you want. It says skim fat free because this is trying to be lighter, but I only have 2%, but you could probably use like almond milk, anything you have will do. And then we're gonna be adding in some flour, so it calls for 2 tablespoons. You could probably use almond flour or another flour substitute if you wanted to make this gluten-free. Then you're gonna get a whisk and whisk this up. So then I just cubed up some ham. We just bought this pre-cooked one from the store, and it's really easy that way. I added salt, pepper, garlic powder, and chili powder because that's like my go-to for everything. And then you're gonna pour in the milk mixture that you made and just keep stirring it around. It's supposed to end up boiling so that you make like a roux. Just gonna make sure you keep stirring it. So I'm gonna add in my 1/4 cup of mayo after it's been sitting there for a minute. I'm supposed to use light or fat-free, but again, I only have regular. Probably use a spoon. See how it's nice and thick now? It's perfect. Then I'm gonna add in 1 cup of Tex-Mex cheese. It says sharp, but you could just do whatever your preference is. Like normal, I don't measure. Huh? Okay, so now I'm gonna mix it in this dish with the 2 cups of cubed ham. This looks so good. And then you're gonna stick it in the oven at 350 for and then you're gonna stick it in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. Wait till it's like bubbly and brown, and then it's ready to eat. There it is after 25 minutes. Looks so good.